I'll see you tonight, baby.
Yeah. Okay, next we're going to have a game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. Come on down here, Ryan and Colin. Hey, come over here. What's your name, please? Ruth. Nice to meet you, Ruth. Coming up here, say hello to Ryan and Colin. What's your name? Lisa? Lisa?
Lisa.
Okay, come on down here, Lisa. Hello, Colin. I want you, Ruth and Lisa, I want you to stand right here, right on top of this thing. Here's a microphone for you. Here's a microphone for you. What's going to happen, Ruth, you're going to do sound effects for Colin during the scene. And Lisa, you're going to do sound effects for Ryan. Woo. And they're going to do a scene. They're going to, You're going to do sound effects for them. The scene is... There are two American GIs attempting the great escape from a WW2 German prisoner of war camp. A World War II German prisoner of war camp. So take it away whenever you're ready.
I'm sick of this place, I tell you, sick. 4 o'clock.
Time to escape.
Right.
I have a plan.
All right.
You want to hear it?
Yes.
Sorry,
What?
I should never have the 3-bean salad.
Come on, let's get to it. The sun's going to be coming up.
I'll open the door.
Right. Turn off the sprinkler.
Yes. Then we'll run by the gate.
Right.
Dig underneath and run.
Okay.
Let me
just barely hear you.
Let me just turn off the radio.
All right.
And let's hope that only the sound effects that happen once we prompt them will happen.
Right. Oil that down, would you? That's better. Quiet. Very quiet. We have to sneak past the dogs quietly.
Go on your tiptoes. I shouldn't be wearing my hush puppies.
Take them off. Quiet.
Boy, they're having bad dreams.
It's all right. Okay, we're past. We gotta dig our way out of here.
Do you have anything to dig with?
Shovel. Oh.
I don't know.
Oh my God! There's someone in there! Oh, come out! Come. Come. Who was that?
Thank God!
There's already a tunnel there! It's the girls from the camp across the lake!
All right, let's jump in.
Right.
How?
Boy, you know, the corduroy pants they put us in
I know.
makes a lot of noise.
All right. Sneak our way through. Ah, the hatch must be on the other side. There seems to be a chicken on it. Push, help me, push.
All right, pull yourself up.
Oh, there's a ladder. Looks like we're in the clear. Oh no, the alarm.
Car. You better talk German.
Right. Pardon. Ja, ja, ja. I had no idea what they were saying. Let's get the hell out of here.
Okay.
Wait.
Nothing. Battery must be dead.
Oh, those 2 wires are loose. I'll just...
Be careful. I don't want you to electrocute yourself on the battery.
Oh, I've done this 1,000 times.
All
There's
right.
no way I could possibly electrocute myself.
Give her a try.
It's not going to happen.
All right.
I